Okay, guys, it's finally time.
Yeah.
My cousin is here and I'm making it practice how to land this Boeing 737. Okay? Press short final. Controls. Okay, don't go down. Don't go down. It's falling now. No! That was the baddest attempt.
Should I do it again?
Yeah, you can. Okay. Okay. Put your legs down. Here, like that. Here.
So fine it.
Okay. Leave it like that now. Go up. All right, in it. Yo, what are you doing? What are you doing? Shoot final. That's down, that's down. Bro, you're doing a lion. Reverse thrust. Yes. Yeah. Wait until you stop. So final.
What is it do?
No, don't do anything with the dog and right for your 100.
I'm doing it.
Yo, what's doing? Oh my gosh.
Panic.
Yeah, let's go back.
We need to do the camera.
Oh man. What time is this?
I want to do the camera. I want to do that. I want to do the camera. Can you do that?
Okay, yeah.
Go final. Okay, now leave it. Yes.
Go up. That's down. Bro, Infinite Flash to fix this, bro. Like.
Okay, up.
That's not up.
Down.
Oh, you done it very hard. Again. You're cooked. Yeah, you're cooked. Again. That's you going down. Controls again. This is up. Do you see? This is down. Okay. And this is right. And this is left. Okay, good. Don't go that up. Don't go that up. No, that's not up. Leave it now. Okay, do it again. Go up again. Pop brakes. Okay, reverse thrust.
Do videos.
What?
We did the video.
Yeah, I do videos.
Okay,
do it. Down is up.
I don't want to.
No, not take off. You have to get I'll train you after for takeoff.
I'm gonna do
After. Yes! Yes! Yes!
Now I can do landing.
No, you have to make it not bounce. I'll show you an example.
I can bounce. I didn't bounce.
You did bounce. The front landing gear has to not bounce. Like this. See?
Nothing.
Your turn. Not take off. You have to be better after your short final. Short final. No. You bounced again.
I'm too hot. My leg is hurting.
Is it too hot? Go like this. Like, do it like that.
Okay, and then get it.
Okay. Yeah. Short final.
I'm not gonna
Get ready. That's that one.
I'm just
Get ready. Get ready. Go down. You're crashing.
I need to
Like, go up
land.
Yes! Yes! You can't break! Yes! Yes! It's time. My cousin has done it. My dear cousin. Bye, guys.
Bye. See you tomorrow. When the sun go up and the time go down.